Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guys, sound and vibration setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we disable guys screen lock sound. Friends, we want to disable guys your Infinix phone lock sound, so how can we disable it? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So if it is screen lock sound guys, you can check guys. When we will lock guys our phone and when do we unlock our phone? Friends, you can see guys your background guys is screen lock sound guys, we call it. And how can we disable guys? We will on our phone setting guys first of all. So after on phone setting guys, you can see this tab setting and you will have to click on my phone sound and vibration setting guys. Tap on sound and vibration. And friends again scroll it friends. You can see guys your screen lock sound guys. We will tap here green icon to disable it. After disable guys, you can see guys your screen lock sound will not work in your Infinix phone device. You can lock your phone, you can unlock your phone without this screen locking sound. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends have understood how to disable screen lock sound. Bye guys.